and being super healthy and making that progress over time, over months, over years, you get a sense of your body that pretty much, maybe athletes, most likely athletes, elite athletes, natural bodybuilders, yoga, probably yoga practitioners, advanced. But we get a sense of our body and its surroundings and what affects it for positive or negative. And I'm not talking about what has been corrupted like everything else in this world. Bodybuilding right now is just connected with juicing. So that's what they do. That's what they do. But the quest for adding muscle, strength, mobility is, they say it's a tough one. It is tough in one way, but then in other ways it's very simple. And so that's why I'm so good at what I do, because I make it simple and easy. And the main thing is I get results. But like I said, once you've been practicing for a while and you get to learn your body naturally without using any artificial means, you find out what works. And so that's why I started the garden. Tea, mint, and oregano tea from my garden, because I found when I eat real food, whole food, home cooked food, first of all, I was stronger. And I also found out that the more organic and natural it was, the better I felt. And so you grow your own food and eat a meal that you know is, could be placebo or not, but you just feel strong, right? So combining this food production with this natural bodybuilding is just like peanut butter and jelly. What also comes with that is stress management, because you cannot grow when you're stressed, and mental health, I guess, because you can transfer your problems into the iron when you're working out, or into the garden when you're digging that big ass hole or getting your hands dirty in the earth. It does something for you. So let's do this together. Like I said, I'm a rookie at gardening, but I'm a master at the art of bodybuilding or performance. So I'm trying to learn on the go. I will document my learning experience in the garden. I've been doing pretty darn good the last few years. I got like 4 or 5 years of good producing stuff I can eat in. And my bodybuilding knowledge will be on display. I'll be having a book out soon. Oh, you talked about that.